just what I wanted to do on my 25th birthday.
Not just any air show.
Psych!
Not just any air show.
This is not what I wanted to do on my 25th birthday.
Brian, what type of plane
But here we are.
are we going to be able to see today?
On our way to the air show. Because that's what my husband wanted to do.
A B-2 stealth bomber.
That's the kind of wife I
A
am.
long-range stealth bomber. We're going to have the opportunity of seeing.
So,
it's never been on this list.
Anyway, I just got my haircut yesterday and
they've never done it before.
I'm going to tell you guys
P-51
all
Mustang.
about this haircut that I got by... Oh, I'm going to put my phone down because there's a cop.
No, you're in the passenger seat. You're clearly allowed to use your phone in the passenger seat.
Oh, I thought I was driving.
We're on that military base. Oh, they cracked this gate open.
So we're officially in the military base and I just got this new lipstick from Sephora yesterday for the military excitement. I thought this color would be very appropriate for an air show because it's not like super bright, like it's not like that bright red lipstick. It's not even that like deep dark lipstick, so I thought it would be perfect because it's like you can tell I'm wearing lipstick, but it's not like, is she really wearing lipstick or is she not wearing lipstick? Like, is that the true color of her lips or is that not the true color of her lips? We're not on the base yet. Oh, okay. So anyway, I'm excited because we're gonna see this like plane bomber thing that Seiko keeps talking about.
Long range stealth bomber.
Long range what?
It's a fixed wing jet propulsion aircraft capable of speeds up to 650 miles per hour.
That, we're gonna see that thing.
We're gonna do 2 passes. It's coming from the Air Force Base down in Georgia all the way up here. Yep.
So here we are. Goodbye. Walking was the best idea ever.